Okay, so our next activity, activity 4, you have to verify algebraic identity a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. For that, what you need is, you need a square sheet. Square sheet means all the sides should be same. I have taken 7 centimeter each. And you another need a smaller square. This is of 2 centimeter. I have cut it down. What you will do is, first of all, you will paste this circle, this square on the one corner of this other sheet, like this. Paste it. After that, what will you do is, from this end of orange sheet, you will draw a line like this. After that, what you will do is, you will cut your sheet from this much. Take it and cut it. This one and this one. These two you have get. Now what will you do is, now it's sort of this shape is formed. After cutting, this part is left of your cutter part. Now you got these two. This is your respective EF AB and this is your respective AEF AB. You will join both of them like this, and this sheet, this activity, you will paste it on the blank page. What basically it does is, see, while cutting this, a sort of a trapezium is formed, right? This trapezium and this trapezium we will join to make a rectangle like this. When a rectangle is formed, look at very carefully. What we basically done is, see, the big sheet which I have taken was of A units. This was of your B units. What you've done is, basically this thing you have done. This will totally become A plus B. This will be your A minus B. Means, if we have to find area means what? Square means A square minus B square will be A plus B. This is your length and breadth A minus B. So basically what we done is, we have converted our square factors into the linear ones and shown our identity exists. It's a very simple activity. You have nothing much to do. Simply take two sheets, square one, place them, both of them. One area should be bigger, another area should be small. Place them on the top, paste it, and later on cut it from this center portion. I hope you have your books with you. You can easily say it from there. And paste this activity over here. Label the respectively. Write A minus B. Suppose I have taken 7. I already told you this sheet I have taken 7 and this was my 2. 7 minus 2 and 7 plus 2. So this side will be my 7 minus 2. This will be my 7 plus 2. So that's how you will do the activity.